when I found JGOOT and it was just 2 cards, I was like, okay, let's try this out. And it was in the Village and it was free. So I decided to go ahead and do it. And it's changed my life. And I honestly mean this, a better group of people who will answer questions over and over again. Hi, my name is Phyllis, and the reason I think people should buy the book or join the JGOOT Village is because if they like travel, they should do it right away. I found it a few years ago before the book came out, and what really attracted me to it is because I wanted to find ways to travel with points, and I didn't want a card churn. And every other Facebook group was like, oh, open this card, open this card, open this card, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to keep up with that. I didn't want to have to worry about a card getting hacked. It wasn't for me. So when I found JGOOT and it was just 2 cards, I was like, okay, let's try this out. And it was in the Village and it was free. So I decided to go ahead and do it. And it's changed my life. I mean, I travel great, but you know what I really like about it? And I've been in this village for a few years. I'm not in the lounge. I don't think it's a great fit right now, and that's fine, but it's the community. I have never met, and I honestly mean this, a better group of people who will answer questions over and over again. So I would recommend you to get this book. Start off with the book if you want, or the Facebook page, but it is a fantastic group of people, and I highly recommend it.